Dear students, in this module, we are going to talk about the regional dressing patterns of Sindh province. The lifestyle of Sindhis is quite different, and you will find a lot of variations in the dressing patterns. However, women in Sindh usually wear shalwar kameez or sarees, especially in the urban areas, and men they do wear shalwar kameez or kurta pajama. Sindhi women also use or wear lenga and choli called gaji, which is the mountain shirt worn in the hilly areas of Sindh. Khaji consists of small square panels embroidered on the silk and square. Sindhi dresses shows embroidery using the mirror, and Sindhi costumes have a different style or different patterns of embroidery. Usually, those dresses are very heavily embroidered. Some women use ajrak as dupatta. Ajrak is the piece of cloth with a unique print on it, with the very specific colors, which is the brown and maroon, with the black combination mainly. Women also wear bangles, a lot of bangles on both hands in their traditional way. If we talk about the men, they do wear the shalwar kameez with the traditional Sindhi cap and ajrak of beautiful designs which are made and prepared locally. And Sindhis do wear a version of shalwar called sutan, which had a shirt which is called the chola. Men also traditionally wear dhoti. Sindhi topi is the very typical emblem of the Sindhi culture. It's a hat which is a significant part of Sindhi culture. Needle and mirror work is done on the Sindhi topi, and it is very popular all over the Pakistan. Here are the few reflections of couple of reflections of Sindhi dressing pattern. On the left side, you can see people with the ajrak and Sindhi topi, and on the right side, our typical female Sindhi dress is presented.